Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 18th, and I'm going to be analyzing the DXY and the US dollar index starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly DXY, I still think there's a very good likelihood this is the end of an ABC correction. If this is the end of an ABC correction, then this will end up continuing the downtrend, making lower lows, lower highs, probably eventually going all the way down and taking out the low right around the $70 area. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame and switch back to the dollar index. Now on the dollar index is where you can start to see this downtrend. It looks to me like a wave A or possibly a wave 1. If this is the end of an ABC up here, then it is a wave 1. Then we have what I think is forming an ABC, which should be a correction to this last move down. Most likely it's a wave 2, but it could possibly be a wave B, and then the next move down, if this is the end of a wave C, will be the continuation of a downtrend for a wave 3, but it could possibly be a wave C. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, you can see the waves of this downtrend, and then you got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, most likely an A. I think this whole section of trend right here is an A. This is 3 waves up for the B, and this little downtrend is most likely the C of B. Now we're probably going up for what I believe to be a wave C. Like I said, probably an ABC of 2, but possibly could be an ABC of B. Either way, it definitely doesn't matter at this stage in the pattern, whether it's a 2 or whether it's a B. So let's head down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame is where you can actually start to see the higher highs, higher lows that's making up this uptrend. I definitely don't see any reason to think this trend is over, especially looking at the roadmap higher time frames. So if we do see any moves to the downside, like I said yesterday, I'm definitely still looking for longs in an uptrend, and I'm definitely looking to go long at the end of any ABC corrections that we may get, especially on these shorter time frames. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, we did have an entry to go long today on the dollar. If you listened to yesterday's dollar video, you most likely would have got in that trade. We saw 3 waves down, we saw impulsive up, we saw a higher low, and then the continuation of the uptrend. So I still believe the trend is up. I don't really think it's probably got too much further to go. It's probably going to make another pullback and another continuation of that trend. So if I do see any pullbacks, I see like another 3-way pattern down like this, 3 waves down, impulsive up, or maybe like this, 3 waves down, impulsive up. That's exactly what I'm looking for in the future to go long for the continuation of what I think is most likely a big wave C on the much longer time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.